brihad-roopah sipivishtah prakaasanah. So these namas describe the Vishwarupa Sandarshanam of Paramatma. Paramatma showed Vishwarupa in two places in Mahabharata. Where? Other? Udyoga, when he was an ambassador. When Krishna was an ambassador, he showed his Vishwarupa in the Kaurava Sabha. Krishna went as a dyutam. Dyutam means mediating. Duta. So as a udyogi means as a assigned by Yudhishthira. Paramatma became an ambassador now. So he came to Duryodhana and he proposed. Duryodhana, this is the proposal given by Yudhishthira. Now you are enjoying the entire kingdom, and Pandavas, they asked their Ardharajyam, half kingdom. And Duryodhana said, I cannot give. And then Krishna said, okay, at least 5 villages if you can give, Yudhishthira will be happy. At least 5 villages. Indraprastha, Kushaprastha. So there are 5 areas. If you can give at least 5 areas, Yudhishthira will be happy. Then Duryodhana said, I cannot give even a small land, even the tip of a needle. Even that much land I don't give. And above, Yudhishthira, the Duryodhana tried to imprison Krishna. He asked Dusyasana, get all the ropes, we will tie this guy and put in the jail. Then Krishna showed his Vishwarupa. And you know how many people saw that Vishwarupa in that Sabha? Nobody could see the Vishwarupa. Duryodhana, Dusyasana, Karna, Shakuni, all those brothers, they could not see the Vishwarupa at all. Very few people saw the Vishwarupa. One is Bhishma, Drona, Krupacharya, Ashwathama, and Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra asked, what is happening? Then Krishna gave him vision. You want to see the Vishwarupa? See the Vishwarupa. I will give you vision. So he gave the vision, and Dhritarashtra, because by birth he was blind, and Dhritarashtra saw the Vishwarupa, and then immediately he said, if you want you can continue with this vision. Then Dhritarashtra said, sorry, I don't want this vision. Once I have seen you, I don't want to see this world. He did not want to see even his sons after seeing the Vishwarupa. So, these namas are describing Vishwarupa. Naika-roopa, na-eka-roopa. So, Paramatma, he is not in just one Rupa. We can be only one Rupa at a time, even if we change the forms. But Paramatma, at a time, he can be in different Rupas independently. Srimanarayana came as Rama, and at the same time he was as Parashurama also. And both are independent avatars. And Parashurama came to challenge Rama. And he was Krishna, and at the same time he was Balarama also. Naika-roopo, brihad-roopah. We cannot say, okay, Paramatma, these are the limits for his form or for his size. His forms beyond your imagination, his size beyond your imagination, His power beyond your imagination. Everything is beyond your imagination because you cannot imagine even you cannot even imagine. Directly perceiving is not at all possible. You cannot even imagine. Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha. Even with the mind you cannot reach him. You cannot measure him. Brihad-roopah. We discussed last week. Ego Vishnur mahadbhutam prathak bhutanyanekashah. We are all small bhutas. And there are different grades. Humans, Manushya Gandharvas, Deva Gandharvas, Pitrudevatas, Gandharvas, Devatas. So the different grades even in the Jivas. We are all small bhutams. Pipilikadi Brahma Pariyantam. From a small fly, bug, to Brahma, Chaturmukha Brahma, we are all small bhutas. Ego Vishnur mahadbhutam. And there is a Mahabhutam. Mahabhutam means, Maha means what? Big. It's very big. Anoraniyan Mahato Mahiyan. Mahataha Mahiyan. He is bigger than the biggest. Mahadbhutam. We also discussed last week in Ramayana, Vaagmee says, Ramo, Rama, everywhere, wherever you go, Rama Bhutam idam jagat. The world was occupied by Rama Bhutam. Means everywhere you can hear about Rama. Wherever you go, only Rama. So he called Rama Bhutam. And Annamaya called Venkateshwara Penubhutam. He is a Penubhutam. We are all small bhutas. He is a Penubhutam. So Mahadbhutam, Brihad-roopah, sipivishtah. So Paramatma, sipivishtah, sipayaha means rays, light ray. Sipivishtah, Paramatma, he who has the sipis, means the rays, and he is covered by rays, means he is transmitting the rays. One meaning is Surya, but here Paramatma is like Surya, very radiant. How radiant? If 1,000 suns rise at a time, Yugapat. He himself said in Bhagavad Gita, if 1,000 suns rise at a time, that is my Kamti. So very radiant. Sipivishtah, prakaasanah, and prakaasanah, prakashayati. He is Surya, or he is sipivishtah. And Surya, why Surya is glowing? In VishnuSahasranama there are several names. There is a name related to Indra, and immediately another name comes. Indra got that quality because of him. Indra got the quality because of him. So, it is originally his name. In the last sloka also it came Mahendra. Mahendra is Indra. But Paramatma is also called Indra because all the names in the world belong to Paramatma. Paramatma is also Mahendra. That name was given to Indra. Paramatma is Aditya, and that name was given to Sun. So he has all the names, and he gave one name to each Devata. Okay, now you are glowing. So take this name. You are Aditya, Surya, and you are Chandra, Chada Ahladane. You please everybody. So you are Chandra. And you Yama. Because Yama means yama niyamane. You control everybody. Everybody will be controlled by you because you can kill anybody. So you are Yama. But all are his names only. So here sipivishtah, Paramatma is called sipivishtah because he is glowing. And sipivishtah is, Surya is also sipivishtah. Prakaasanah. Why Surya is called sipivishtah? Because he got that quality from Paramatma. So Paramatma is called prakaasanah. He is the one who gives that kanti to Surya. Ojas-tejo-dyutidharah. He has three qualities. Ojaha, physical power. Ojaha, physical strength. Tejaha, Tejas means the power or strength with which you can control others. Oh, so lot of tejas in him means you cannot stand, you cannot go to him because he has lot of tejas. He is a great scholar, lot of tejas in his face means you cannot argue with him. Means he has the tejas, the quality to control others. With that quality, he can control others. He can rule others. So that is tejas. Dyutih, fame, kirti. So dyutih means kirti. He has physical strength and controlling ability, and dyutih, fame, kirti. Ojas-tejo-dyutidharah, it's a one nama. He has all these three qualities. He has a lot of physical strength, physical power. And at the same time, he can control everybody. He can control everybody. There is nobody who cannot be controlled by him. And he only he knows how to control people. That is why, see, if you see the synchronization between Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara, some Rakshasa does tapas and Brahmadeva comes, I want a vara where I shall not be killed inside or outside, on the earth, in the sky, not in the day, not in the night, neither by living beings nor by non-living entities. But Brahma gave, yeah, take it. The only vara he cannot give is, I shall not die. So everybody should die at some point of time, other than Paramatma, other than Brahma, Parabrahma. Everybody has death. Whoever is born, they have to die. Death is also a reality in your life. In Mahabharata, in Yaksha Prashnas, in Vanavasa, all the Pandavas are in the Vanavasa. Sahadeva goes for water. He goes to a lake and he hears a voice. One Yaksha asks him, don't touch the water, it is my lake. If you want to take the water, you have to answer my questions. But Sahadeva doesn't listen to him. He just takes water and then he just falls down. He dies. Not dies, he falls down. Same thing happens to Nakula, Arjuna and Bhima also. Finally Yudhishthira comes. And Yaksha says, your 4 brothers did not listen to me. See, their bodies are there. Answer my questions. Then Yudhishthira realizes he is a Mahatma. So Mahatma asks. Then Yaksha asks some questions, beautiful questions. We can discuss one day all those Yaksha questions. There he asks one question. What is that so surprising thing in this world? Then Yudhishthira says, you know the most surprising thing in this world? 4 people carry the dead body and these 4 people think that they will never die. They carry a dead body, this guy, he died. But they don't realize tomorrow they will be carried by 4 more people. So they don't think about the death in their case. That is the most surprising thing. So, everybody thinks that they don't die in the Yaksha Prashna. So, where are we? Ojas-tejo-dyutidharah. So, Paramatma, he knows the synchronization between the Trimurtis, right? So, Brahma gave varam. If you are born, you will die. And how you want to die, it is up to you. You can ask anything. And I like 2 examples. Even Ravanasura, we think he asked a lot of varas, but Ravanasura is not so intelligent. There were very intelligent guys. One is Hiranyakashipu. With all this content, not inside, not outside, not on the earth, not in the sky, not in the day, not in the night. Other is called Raktabija.